In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Signal Private Messenger or how to get started on this app. So first of all, make sure that you have this app downloaded from your Google Play Store or your App Store. And from there, just go and click on Signal in here. And then you will be asked to create an account and to enable some things like notifications and syncing with contacts. After you've done that, you will be able to add your phone number in. So put in your phone number in here and then I will see you on the other side. So after you have verified your phone number, you need to create a PIN. So your PIN must be at least 4 digits. So you can also create an alphanumeric PIN in here. Then you can use characters or just a numeric PIN. So I'm just going to fill in my PIN and then I will see you in the next step. So after you've set everything up, you will be able to set up your profile as well. And you can do that by putting in your first name and your last name. And you can also add a profile picture in here. So I'm just going to do that right now. I'm just going to put this in here. And down below, you can also change who can find you by your number. And right now it is set to everybody. And if you want to change that, you need to click on this and then put it to no one, for example. So I'm going to change this and then I'm going to click on next. So as you can see, right now we are in Signal and we have set up our account successfully. And now we can start chats and stuff like that and basically start using the app. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.